Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Rio Casino Hotel. Coming into the room off to the side, see a side shelf for room keys, maybe some other items, and plug. This is the first room here at Rio. I've seen this little setup. There's variation between the rooms. Walking in, I see a side mirror. This is common. Very large mirror to the side and a very large living room type area, really large sectional space for luggage, table in the middle, and a view we'll get to later in the video. Off to the right, a desk here with a lamp, a phone, a magazine, and a bucket for ice, some cups. Wall art. Moving in, you could see the very large king bed. This is in the Ipanema Tower inside of Rio, recently renovated room. A high table next to the view, next to the window. This is nice to eat on or to put your laptop. There's not a desk for the laptop, just a shelf here by the television. Extra lighting on the side and some outlets on this lamp. Off to the side, walking in. Large sink area, extra mirror, main mirror here, tissues and body cream, soap on this side, hair dryer in the back, and a large closet area with a space for luggage. Over here, some dressers and not one, but two room safe and extra art on the wall. Rio. You can see the bathroom, another sink. This is the second sink in the room. A little shelf here, another mirror, towel rack on the wall up top. Coming around to the shower. This is a different setup than some of the other rooms, as this is a sliding glass door rather than just something to walk into. Shower head, nozzle, and the body wash, shampoo in bottles on the side. Nice room here, one king room at the Ipanema Tower. This was booked with a $30 cash rate. This is also getting me Hyatt qualifying nights and a complimentary breakfast at Hash House A Go-Go with the Hyatt Globalist status. You can see the view here is more of a mountain view. Palms Casino in the back. Gold Coast, and more of the mountains of Las Vegas. So a nice view during the day, and surely a good view during the night as well. Can see the other side looks like the Orleans in the back. Dirty windows, of course, as usual, so a better view back out rather than so close up. So there's Orleans, Palms, Gold Coast, Vegas Mountains, and the other side of Rio. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Rio, Las Vegas.